always explore more Python features as your projects become more advanced. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to run JavaScript in VS Code in 2026. JavaScript can run in the browser, but you can also execute JavaScript files directly using a runtime such as Node.js. So let's get started. First, make sure Node.js is installed on your computer. Then open VS Code and create a new file with a JavaScript file extension. Save it inside a project folder so your files stay organized. Next, open the integrated terminal in VS Code and check whether Node.js is available. You can run the version command to confirm that the runtime is installed and accessible. Now add a simple JavaScript statement to your file, such as a console message. Save the file, then use the terminal to run the JavaScript file with Node.js. If everything is configured correctly, the output should appear directly in the terminal. This is a simple way to test JavaScript code without opening a browser. For larger projects, you can create a package configuration file and install dependencies with the Node Package Manager. VS Code makes it easy to work with these files and manage your project from one workspace. You can also install JavaScript-related extensions if you want additional formatting, linting, or code assistance. Just make sure you choose trusted extensions that fit your workflow. If your script doesn't run, check the Node.js installation first, then confirm that you're using the correct file path and command. Sometimes, the issue is simply running the command from the wrong folder. You can also use VS Code's run and debug tools for more advanced JavaScript projects and step through your code when needed. And that's how to run JavaScript in VS Code. With Node.js installed and a simple project folder ready, you can quickly test scripts and build more advanced applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next